How to replace the fans. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the left fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left fan to the system board. Remove the fan. The right fan, if installed, is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left fan into position over its screw holes. Replace the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left fan to the system board. Reconnect the fan cable to its connector on the system board. The right fan, if installed, is replaced in the same manner. Note: if a right fan is installed, make sure to replace the silver screw at the rear of the fan near the heatsink.